Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday launched India's Covid-19 vaccination drive, the world's largest inoculation exercise against the novel coronavirus. In a virtual address, an emotional Prime Minister Modi paid tribute to scientists and healthcare workers who have been on the front lines of the pandemic. Amid the crisis and the atmosphere of despair, someone was transmitting hope by putting his life on the line to save us, PM Modi said. He also added that safety protocol including social distancing and wearing masks must remain in place. India will administer shots to 3 crore frontline workers in phase 1, which has started from today onwards. There are 3,006 session sites across the country where 100 beneficiaries each will be given either of India's 2 indigenous vaccines, Covaxin or Covishield. Every beneficiary will need to receive 2 doses of the same vaccine 28 days apart. Since the pandemic hit India in early 2020, over 1 crore and 5.42 lakh people have been infected with the disease, while close to 1.52 lakh have died. At present, Kerala and Maharashtra are reporting the highest numbers of daily cases. India is drawing from its experience of its universal immunization program and the booth strategy during elections to conduct the massive drive. The centre has disbursed Rs 480 crores to states for the operational cost of the exercise. Aadhaar and the CoWIN platform will be used extensively to identify and monitor beneficiaries. If all goes to the plan, 30 crore people may be vaccinated against the contagion by July end. The government has created a dedicated 24/7 helpline number 1075, I repeat 1075, to address the queries related to the vaccine rollout and the CoWIN software. Our associate editor for HW News Hindi, Sonu Kanojia, went on ground to see how the first day of vaccine rollout is going about. As you can see in the video, first the healthcare or frontline worker has to get his or her temperature checked at the entry point. Here, oximeter is used to check oxygen levels. After that, there is a queue. Social distancing is followed and chairs are placed at some distance. One by one, these beneficiaries go to the vaccination room. After entering the room, they have to register once again and also show their identity proof. There are boxes of vaccines kept. One of the healthcare worker is seen getting the vaccine in the visuals that you can see. After the vaccine is administered, the healthcare worker, the vaccine beneficiary, has to be kept in observation room where doctors and nurses observe them for almost 30 minutes for any side effect. If they don't have any side effects, they are allowed to go home, and after that, after 28 days, they will be getting second shot of Covid-19 vaccine. Let us watch some of the key moments from the visuals.
After giving vaccination, the candidate has to wait at the observation center. Observation center is made just beside this room, and half an hour he or she has to wait for observation. And here you can see the vaccination going on. These all are hospital staff, frontline workers in this center. 100 vaccination will be done per day. 100 people will be given vaccination. After vaccination is done over here, the candidate has to move to the other room. There is the observation room, and in observation room there are doctor, nurses who are observing the patient, who are observing the candidates who have taken the vaccination. Here you can see there are many people who have just taken the vaccine, and they are sitting over here, and hospital staff, nurses are just observing that they are not getting any problem or any issue after getting vaccine. And this is the last step of a vaccination program. First, you have to register, then you have to wait for your number, then you have to come to the vaccination room, and after vaccination is done, you have to come to the observation room, and you have to wait here for half an hour. doctor and nurses will observe you, and if you are fit and if you don't have any problem, then you will be allowed to go home.
But it was a very, very important incident that is happening in our life. We are again proud of India, proud of the Indian doctors, Indian researchers who are given us this vaccine which is made in India, and we are proud of all these things that have happened. We have already taken, we will tell everybody to take this vaccine. It is definitely a safety measure against COVID.
Sir, you have taken vaccine and you are in observation for after taking vaccine. There was a
No problem, no side effect, no complications. I am absolutely well and highly confident.
Sir, you are doctor, and I just want to know, after taking vaccination, what are the procedures?
After taking the vaccination, we have to wait for half an hour in the observation room. The sisters and the doctors over here see that whether we have any complication, any side effect. I have been just over here for 30 minutes, everything was fine. So now they have told me that we can go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.